Technology and Livelihood Education, Food Processing, Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8, Module 1, based on most essential learning competencies. Technical terms: equipment, tools or any supplies needed for a certain purpose. Tools, device or implements used for certain functions in salting, curing, and smoking. Utensils, tools used in the kitchen, particularly in salting, curing, and smoking. Salinity, it pertains to the degree of saltiness of the water. Salting, application of salt to the fish. Smoking, application of smoke to the fish using hot or cold types of smoking. Curing, application of salt, spices, and other preservatives to fish. Every equipment, tools, and utensils that are purchased are accompanied with a manual containing specifications as how they are used, manipulated or operated, cared for, and stored to lengthen their serviceability. Specifications usually include the following. Number 1, important safeguards or basic safety precautions to follow when using the device, like a pressure cooker for instance. Number 2, warning labels, which serves as a reminder to the user to read and follow instruction on the proper use and operations of a certain device, equipment, or tool. Number 3, dimensions, weights, and capacities, as in the case of cookers, boilers, and steamers. Number 4, instructions on caring for the equipment, tool, or utensils. And number 5, instructions on the correct usage of the device. Our topic is food or fish processing tools and equipment. It is classified according to its uses, which is the measuring tools, cutting tools, other tools, and equipment. The following are the measuring tools. Salinometer. It is used for measuring the salinity of the brine solution. Refractometer. It is used for measuring sugar concentration of sap and syrup for food. Weighing scale. It is used for measuring the weight of raw materials and ingredients. Liquid measuring cup. It is used for measuring liquid ingredients. Measuring cups. It is used for measuring dry ingredients of large capacity or quantity. Measuring spoon. It is used to measure small amount of solid and liquid ingredients. The following are the cutting tools. Cutting implements is used for cutting fish and other ingredients. Example of these are knives or set of knives, filleting knives, which is used for filleting fish. Scissors or cutting shears. It is used for cutting purposes like fins of fish. Cutting board. It is where fish or meat are cut, ingredients are sliced or minced. Basin. It is used in preparing brine solution and other curing mixtures. Food tongue. It is used for lifting hot objects or foods. Wooden spoon. It is used for mixing ingredients. Peeler. It is used in removing the skin of fruits and vegetables. Grater. It is used for grating cheese or other fruits and vegetables. Earthen pots are used for storing the salted products. Wooden salting vat or barrel. It is a container where the salted fish are placed or fermented. The following are the fish processing equipments. Number 1 is the smokehouse. It is a device used for smoking fish or meat with the application of smoke. Impulse sealer. It is used for sealing purposes. Gas range, oven, or stove. It is the source of heat in cooking. Chiller, refrigerator, or freezer. It is necessary in maintaining fish freshness. Pressure cooker. It is an important canning equipment used to process fish packed in a hermetically sealed container at a high controlled temperature and pressure for a certain period of time. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.